Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix side not working on Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro. If one of the earbuds on your Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro isn't working, you could start by doing some of the basic checks. First thing is charging and placement. Ensure both earbuds are properly placed in the charging case with no debris, obstructions, the charger contact, and allow the buds to charge for at least 4 hours. At least 4 hours and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The other thing you could also do is restarting your smart device or any sort of device that you're using to connect or that you're using in order to connect the buds. You could try restarting and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you could also repair. That is, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings of your device, and once you do it, so remove the buds from the case, then put it back in and open the case to initiate pairing mode, after which connect them again in your device's Bluetooth settings and see that fixes your issue or not. The other thing what you could also do is check for software update in your Samsung wearable app. So what you have to do is open up the wearable app, and here you could go ahead and you could also go ahead and adjust the ambient sound settings, or you could go ahead and look for software update if there is any sort of update available or not. If you're using iPhone or Android device, you could also check mono audio settings in your device's settings and ensure it's turned off. So by following this step, you should be able to fix, but not. However, if not, you could then consult the support team and they will be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.